Hi everyone, I'm Catherine and today I'm going to be installing the LCD upgrade for the Modicon Panelmate Plus. I already have the CRT and board already disassembled, so basically you just have to take everything out but no cutting wires, and I'll explain what you can and can't take out from there. Okay, so first start off with taking the top of the monitor off, and then you can do the back and the sides, and then just take the front off and the CRT. So already I have the board that's inside the Modicon already disassembled. You just have to unplug your power cable and this white cable here, and everything else you can unplug and take out. Alright, so now we're going to install this LCD kit. It's the ML121QT-PMC2S, and it's just going to go where the CRT originally was, and you can use the same nuts to bolt it back on. Alright, we'll start off with the power cable, and that's the MAP333. And that's just going to plug into the brown cable that you did not cut. Okay, the other end of the MAP333 is going to be plugging into the power brick that we also sent you. There we go. And you can just hang out in here. Like so. This end, here, here, here. Nice. Next step, we're going to be installing the video cable. So you can take the MAV526, this end, this in here, slide him through here. Oh, get him back in here. Alright, next step, we can put the whole unit together. So just slide the new LCD into the Modicon. It's a good idea first, though, to clean both screens on the inside with Windex. I'm going to do that. Like this. Right. Yep. You can just put it back in now. And you can apply the bottom 4 screws. Here, there, there, and there. Okay, now you can, wait, are you playing? Alright, next step, you can put the side of the Modicon back on. There we go. You can also get rid of the old power cable that was attached to the backboard here. Alright, so that's all for the installation of the Modicon Panelmate Plus. If you have any questions, please call us at 519-725-2222. Bye!